Hello, friends. This is a dog. The dog says, woof, 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 woof. The dog guards the house.
Plays and makes friends with the man.
Loves to run and jump. Play with a ball.
Take it.
And here is a cat. The cat says, meow, meow. The cat loves milk.
She is very affectionate and fluffy.
She purrs softly. Look, it's a cow. The cow says, moo, moo. The cow gives us milk. She lives on a farm and loves fresh grass. Look, it's a horse. The horse is strong, fast, and very beautiful. She has a long mane and tail that flutter in the wind. And who is this? It's a rooster. The rooster crows loudly. He wakes everyone up in the morning when the sun rises. The rooster has bright red feathers on its head.
A comb.
Look, it's a rabbit. He loves to nibble on carrots and cabbage. The rabbit has long ears and soft fur. The rabbit is a kind and very cute animal. Look, guys, it's a hamster. The hamster is small and fluffy. He loves to eat grains and hide them in his cheeks. The hamster lives in a house and runs in a wheel. And who is this? It's a chicken. It's small, yellow, and fluffy. He eats the grains and chirps happily. The chicken is very cute and funny. Look, guys, it's a parrot. He likes to sit on a perch and flap his wings. He likes to eat seeds and fruits. The parrot is a bright, beautiful, and cheerful friend. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.